My name is Isham Muhammad. I am studying Doctor of Pharmacy here in Punjab University. I'm from Palestine. When Hamas attacked Israel, I am very happy for this news. But in the other side, there is also, regardless Hamas, on the other side, they making more and more attacking to Gaza. I'm very sad and so disturbed for this situation which happened now in Gaza. Too much family they are killed by Israel. Inside Gaza have also bad situation. The electricity go from them. Maybe water also cutting from them. So what we can do in this situation? I'm sad also more for the student living here in Pakistan. They come for study and their family now under attack in Gaza. How they are feeling? My family also will live there. So what can I do after that if my home attack and also see all my relatives have also a bad situation there? So I will be in a bad way. Inshallah, there is some solution that stop this war, because we want just to back my country, to back Palestine. It's not just the issue of Palestinian people. It is the issue of all Muslim, of all Arab Muslim countries. So we need not me just. We need from Yemen, from Sudan, from Jordan. We need serious to back our country to us.